How to buy 100 men versus one gorilla token. So this token came under the symbol of MVG. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. And go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 1,200 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 days ago. And this token trending number 11 in the Solana section. Also, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. I'm opening Punch more for that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this also can click on it and click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much you will be able to receive. Now, after that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to distributor provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy MVG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.